Before we begin, I want to say thank you to everyone for your flexibility, for your willingness to have a little fun celebrating Dornan and Christy. I wouldn't have gotten to talk to Dornan nearly as much during the ceremony if it wasn't for the rain and the lack of the sound system.
You got crazy and you got normal. Well, we're adding a normal one to the bunch, and it's kind of helped balance things back out. If that says anything, that's how crazy the family is sometimes. Christy, you waited until the right one came along.
Sure did. You got a wedding ring.
Dornan, welcome to the family.
We were actually downtown. I think the pub was still open, and I got bamboozled by the team of Dornan and Christy. They said, we're going to go down to the brick house, when in fact, they took me to Crystal's, which was fine. But it was at that point when we were in Crystal's, early in the morning, and I knew it was the real thing.
I, Dornan, take you, Christy, to be my wife.
I, Christy, take you, Dornan, to be my husband.
To have and hold from this day forward.
For better, for worse, for richer, for poor, in sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish until we are parted by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Great, babe.
Thank you.
Christy, I give you this ring. It's a symbol of my vow. And with all that I am and all that I have, I honor you.
Dornan, I give you this ring as a symbol of my vow, in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Now that Dornan and Christy have given themselves to each other by solemn vows, with the joining of hands and the giving and receiving of rings, I pronounce that they are husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
For the very first time, put your hands together for bride and groom, Christy and Dornan Gressler!
Takes a really special person to come into this crazy freaking family. And I'm so happy that Christy found you, and I really can't wait to be a part of y'all's day tomorrow.